Rajasthan. We're about to cut to the Rajasthan assembly. These are pictures that we are getting from there. The chair is very upset. Let's listen in.
I will not tolerate it. I said I will not tolerate it. आप सुनने रात फिर I am on leg. I am on leg. I said I am on leg. Please, आप behave properly. I am on leg. 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 I said I am on leg. I am on leg. I am on leg. कटारिया जी गलत तरफ पहन डाले. कटारिया जी प्लीज. कटारिया जी प्लीज. कटारिया जी प्लीज. कटारिया जी प्लीज. आप कटारिया जी प्लीज. I am on leg. I will deliver it. I will say it. I will say it. What I supposed to say. मेरा काम है. 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 आप कौन नहीं देखने वाले? I will not allow it. I will not allow it. Make I am on leg. I am on leg. I am on leg. I said I am on leg. I am on leg. I said I am on leg. मैं पैर पकड़ा हूँ. I am on leg. I am on leg. I said I am on leg. कटारिया जी I am on leg. I am on leg. I am on leg. I said I am on leg. I said I am on leg. I will not tolerate it. I will not tolerate it. I am on leg. I am on leg. I am on leg. कटारिया जी I am अभिषेक. मैं बोला ये ऐसा नहीं होता. ऐसा नहीं होता है. कटारिया जी गलत परंपरा डाल रहे हैं आप गलत परंपरा डाल रहे हैं. आप गलत परंपरा डाल रहे हैं. मैं गलत बात है. गलत बात. गलत बात. गलत बात. मैं गलत बात. काम बोले मान से यस. प्लीज कटारिया जी प्लीज. आप लीडर है. आप इनको बैठाए. आई विल लिसन इट. आई विल लिसन इट. आप इनको बैठाए. मैं कटारिया जी इनको बैठाए. मैं सुनूंगा. पहले इनको बैठाए. पहले इनको बैठाए. पहले इनको बैठाए. पहले इनको बैठाए. आई मैं इनको बैठाए. पहले मैं सुनूंगा. इनको बैठाए. पहले बैठाए इनको. आप इनको बैठाए. आप इनको बैठाए. मैं बोलो आप बैठाए. मैं सुनूंगा आपको. मैं सुनूंगा. आप बैठाए इनको. आप सुन बैठाए इनको. कटारिया जी इनको बैठाए. कटारिया जी ऐसे बैठाए इनको. कटारिया जी आप इनको बैठाए. कटारिया जी आप कटारिया जी इनको बैठाए. कटारिया जी इनको बैठाए. कटारिया जी इनको बैठाए. आई विल गिव यू अपॉर्चुनिटी. कटारिया जी मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ. मैं उनको बैठाए इनको.
Just coming in from the Rajasthan assembly, where you can see the speaker being upset with the legislators who are interrupting the house. This was before the chief minister was supposed to present the budget. Let me bring in Pallavi. Pallavi, can you explain to us what exactly has angered the speaker? I think the house has just got adjourned. Pallavi, can you help us understand what's going on?
So basically the BJP is also protesting over there because there have been multiple complaints, paper leak, and all of these are the issues which have also been raised repeatedly by the BJP in the Rajasthan assembly and even outside. And this is going to be one of the last big budgets really of the Ashok Gehlot government. And he's showcasing it as a budget for change and a budget for the young people of Rajasthan. And the focus is of course essentially going to be on that. So there's a complete lack of order. What the speaker is essentially saying then is that the house has to be in order because presently the budget is a requirement and therefore the BJP and all the members must ensure that the house is in order. Clearly that's not. So I think we are also looking at a situation where the state is preparing for state elections sometime later in the year.
Okay.
And therefore this kind of acrimony between the Congress and the BJP is expected to increase.
Right. Pallavi, thank you so much. So the Rajasthan Assembly there adjourned till 11:42 over allegations of leaking the budget before it was presented. We'll get you more on that, but let's move